In today's video, I'm going to install and review these tailgate chains. These are for the FC150. When I got my order from Kaiser Willys, it came with decal, some candy, and a new issue of Willys Jeep Lifestyle magazine. This is my 58 wide track FC150. I actually just built this tailgate. The bed didn't have a tailgate when I got it. So you notice it's not exactly like an original tailgate, but the dimensions are all the same. The slots for the latches are the same, and the bed still has the original attachment points for the chains. So if you have a stock original tailgate, these chains from Kaiser Willys will fit exactly the way you see them in this video. So let's mount them up. So your chains come with these little they're like a repair link, but it allows you to attach it to the bedside. So if you just kind of sneak it in there like that, and I'm just going to hook my chain on there, and then you loop these in kind of the same way and close this up. So I don't know how hard these are going to close, but I'm just going to try it with a pair of vice grips. Seems to be working. Tighten them up, and that looks pretty good. You might have to smash them or do something else, but really shouldn't be too challenging. So I'm actually having a little difficulty. Maybe it's just me, or maybe it's the mount on here, but this the crushable link is too thick to ride in this hole. So if I have it like that, you know, this kind of sticks up there, and I did try crushing it here, and it won't fit down in there, and it definitely won't fit inside that link. So I'm just trying to give you an honest review here of what I'm seeing. So I'm actually going to pop this apart. I have an idea. I've never been a huge fan of these types of links for chain repairs or anything really. So I'm gonna pop this off. So the quality of everything, it looks really nice, and there's nothing wrong with these. I just don't like them. So I keep a bunch of these on hand for repairs or hanging things like that. I think I paid 97 cents at the hardware store for these. So it slides right in there. Slide your hook over that, and then snug it up. So as for strength wise, the other type of joint might be stronger, but this is easily removable and fits in there so the chain will hang the way it should. Cool. So now I'll put them in the down position. One thing I noticed with the other link, since it was holding this up, it was actually not allowing the tailgate to go down level. It was kind of holding it up like that, which isn't a huge deal. That's probably better than it being down. But with that other style link that I added, it seems to hold the tailgate nice and flat. Cool. So there you have it. The chains and the covers are excellent. I'm happy with them. But I would probably, if you're ordering these, grab a couple of these. I think this is a 3/16 chain repair link, or 1/4 inch maybe. 3/16. It matches the size of the chain on these, and it's about a 1/4 inch longer, but that seems to give me a nice flat tailgate. Let's fold it back up. And over time, I guess I went out. Over time, these will kind of get broken and hang nicely once this is nice heavy. It looks like soft top material. It has like a fabric on the inside. But there you go. I like them. Those are the Kaiser Willys tailgate chains for FC150.